Hello, my beautiful souls. Today I'm going to share with you something that is very close to my heart, a natural, homemade, anti-aging dry fruit mix. This mix isn't just a snack, it's a little jar full of energy, nourishment, and glow. The best part, it's made with simple ingredients that many of us already have in our kitchens. This mix supports glowing skin, strong hair, better immunity, and that natural youthful energy we all love to feel. Let's get started step by step, slowly, lovingly, just the way good food should be made. Now, let's begin with the first step, preparing our base ingredients. I'm starting with 1 tablespoon of black raisins. Raisins are like little drops of natural sweetness. They help with hydration, improve blood circulation, and bring a natural glow to the skin. Gently chop the raisins into halves. This helps them roast evenly later and blend better with the other ingredients. Once chopped, I keep them aside. Next, I take 5 dates. Dates are nature's candy, full of iron, fiber, and antioxidants. They give this mix a gentle, natural sweetness without the need for any sugar. First, remove the seeds from the dates. Chop the dates into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the better they'll mix in later. Use a sharp knife, and here's a small tip. If the dates are a little too sticky, pop them in the fridge for a few minutes. It makes chopping much easier. Once chopped, I keep them aside. Now it's time to roast. Heat a clean, dry pan on low flame. Into the pan, add the chopped raisins and dates. Gently roast them, stirring softly until they become warm, slightly chewy, and release a beautiful sweet aroma. Don't rush this part. Slow roasting allows the natural moisture to reduce a bit, which helps with better shelf life later. Friends, tell me in the comments which country you're watching from. I love seeing our little family grow from different corners of the world. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support truly means so much to me. Once roasted, transfer them back into the bowl and let them cool down completely. Cooling is important. If we mix while hot, the ingredients can become sticky. Next, I take 1 tablespoon each of almonds, cashews, and pistachios. Nuts are truly magical for skin and energy. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, the vitamin of youth and glow. Cashews help support collagen production, keeping the skin plump and fresh. Pistachios bring healthy fats and antioxidants, little warriors that fight off damage from stress and pollution. I add all these nuts to the same dry pan and roast them gently on low flame. Roasting brings out their natural flavor and also removes any leftover moisture. Stir them slowly, enjoying the sound and aroma. Now, let's talk about why this mix is so special. Many of us spend money on expensive creams and serums for our skin, but true beauty, my friends, starts inside. What we eat reflects on our face, our skin, our energy levels, and even our mood. This recipe is designed to nourish from within. It gives your body the nutrients it needs to naturally support healthy aging. And no, aging is not a bad thing. It's beautiful. It's natural. Aging gracefully isn't about fighting time. It's about nourishing your body, loving your skin, and celebrating your natural beauty. This dry fruit mix is a gift from nature. When you take 1 spoon each morning, do it with intention. Smile. Know that you're giving your body something good. That energy reflects on your face, your smile, your glow. But we can definitely support our body with love and care so we age gracefully and stay energetic. Once lightly golden and fragrant, transfer them into the same bowl as the dates and raisins. They cool down together and their natural oils blend beautifully. Now comes another powerful step, the seeds. Now take 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Add all the seeds into the pan and dry roast them gently. Keep the flame low and stir constantly so they don't burn. Pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and flax seeds may look tiny, but they're packed with a lot of beauty and health goodness. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc and magnesium, which support collagen production, help keep the skin firm and boost overall immunity. They're like little protectors, working quietly to give your skin strength and glow from within. Sunflower seeds are loaded with vitamin E, a natural beauty vitamin that deeply nourishes the skin, helps fight dullness, and protects against sun and pollution. They also give you a gentle energy lift and support healthy hair and nails. Flax seeds, on the other hand, are full of omega-3 fatty acids, which keep your skin soft, plump, and hydrated. They help reduce fine lines, support hormone balance, and bring that healthy, fresh glow to your face. When these 3 seeds come together in one mix, they create a powerful blend that works gently but effectively. They nourish your skin from the inside out, protect against early signs of aging, and give your body that natural, steady energy. It's like adding a little daily dose of self-care to your routine. Simple, natural, and full of love. You'll notice they start to pop a little. That's a good sign. It means they're getting perfectly roasted. In just a few minutes, they turn lightly golden and release a nutty, toasty aroma. At this stage, switch off the flame. With the pan still warm, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It's one of the best natural ingredients to support graceful aging, glowing skin, and a strong immune system. Adding turmeric while the pan is warm, not hot, helps lock in its flavor and properties without burning it. Give everything a gentle mix so the turmeric coats the seeds lightly. Then, put it in the bowl to cool completely. Once everything is nice and cool, the raisins and dates, the nuts and the seeds, it's time to bring them all together. I add a few delicate strands of saffron. Saffron is known as the golden spice of beauty. It brightens the skin, supports healthy circulation, and adds a gentle, natural fragrance to the mix. Soft dates, crisp nuts, warm seeds, and that gentle golden touch of turmeric and saffron. It's truly beautiful. Finally, transfer this mix into a clean, dry, airtight glass jar. You can store it in a cool, dry place or even in the fridge if the weather is humid. It stays fresh for weeks. Every time I open this jar, I smell warmth, sweetness, and love. Now, this step is completely optional if you prefer a smoother texture or if chewing on whole seeds isn't your thing. You can chop the mix lightly. Just a few pulses, not too much. This way, the nuts, seeds, and dry fruits break down slightly and blend beautifully together. And if you don't want to keep the seeds whole, this is the perfect time to chop them too. It makes the mix softer, easier to chew, and perfect for those who like a more uniform bite. But If you love the natural crunch of seeds, you can skip this step entirely. Both ways are absolutely fine. It all depends on your personal taste. Now, let's talk about how to enjoy it. You can eat a spoonful of this mix in the morning on an empty stomach for an instant energy and skin glow boost. You can sprinkle it on top of porridge, oats, or smoothies. You can even add it to warm milk for a soothing bedtime drink. This is not just food, this is nourishment for your cells, your skin, your hair, and your spirit. If you want to customize this mix, you absolutely can. You can add walnuts for extra omega-3. You can reduce or increase the number of dates if you prefer it less sweet.
It's flexible, simple, and made to fit your lifestyle. I hope you try this beautiful recipe. It's more than just a mix. It's a self-care ritual in a jar. Every time you open it, it reminds you to slow down, to nourish yourself, and to age gracefully with love and confidence. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to share it with someone who might love a little natural wellness in their day. Thank you for being here with me, for sharing this moment, and for taking care of yourself. Remember, your glow is not just outside, it begins inside.